Hello, everyone, and welcome back to God in the Details, where we explore God's presence in unexpected places. Today, we're talking about a topic that hits close to home for me, the devastating wildfires in Oklahoma. But instead of just focusing on the destruction, we're looking at God's healing, His comfort, and His power to restore. When disaster strikes, when homes are lost and lives are forever changed, it's natural to ask, where is God in all of this? But the answer is clear. He is here. He is with us, and He is working, even in the fire. Stay with me as we discuss God's healing and support in times of disaster. Last Friday, Oklahoma was hit with catastrophic wildfires that burned over 170,000 acres, destroying nearly 300 homes and tragically taking lives. People fled with nothing but the clothes on their backs. Families lost everything. It's heartbreaking. And in times like this, we all ask the same question: why? Why does God allow such devastation? Even in Scripture, we see people struggling with this same question. The book of Psalms is filled with cries of pain. David himself asks, "How long, O Lord? Will you forget me forever?" Psalm 13:1. But God is not absent in suffering. He is present. He is near. He reminds us in Isaiah 41:10, "Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you." Even when we don't understand why disasters happen, we can hold on to who God is, our refuge, our strength, and our ever-present help in trouble. Psalm 46:1. But here's the amazing thing. When tragedy strikes, we also see something else. God's love in action. In Oklahoma, as the fires raged, neighbors ran to help neighbors. Churches opened their doors to provide shelter. Strangers donated food, clothes, and money. Firefighters from other states came rushing in to help. God is moving through His people. We are His hands and feet, and when we love and serve others, we reflect His heart. It reminds me of Romans 8:28, which says, "And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose." Even in destruction, God is working. Even in loss, He is bringing hope. Right now, the people of Oklahoma are beginning the long road to rebuilding. It's overwhelming, and it won't happen overnight. But through it all, we can trust that God is in the process. In life, we will all experience loss, whether it's a home, a loved one, or a dream we held on to. But we serve a God who restores. Isaiah 61:3 says, "He will bring beauty from ashes." Psalm 147 verse 3 reminds us that He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. The fires took away homes, but they cannot take away God's presence. They cannot take away His promises, and they cannot take away His power to heal. So what can we do? How can we be the light in times of darkness? Pray for the families who lost everything. Pray for strength, for peace, and for provision. If you can, donate to relief efforts or volunteer to help those affected. I have included donation links in the comments below. If you know someone impacted by these fires, be there for them. A kind word, a Bible verse, or a simple act of kindness can bring so much comfort. And remember, we don't have to wait for a disaster to show God's love. Every single day we have the opportunity to be a light to those around us. Let's continue this conversation in the comments. Have you ever seen God bring beauty from tragedy? How has He carried you through hard times? Share your thoughts below. And if this message encouraged you, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who need hope today. Until next time, remember, even in disaster, God is in the details.